Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm doing a meet it or eat it collab with a few ladies that I've met out here on these YouTube streets. I will leave all their link in the description box. Today we're making some Jamaican curry chicken. Guys, I know you want to stay tuned.
I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop.
So I'm using half of a medium chicken. Now all the seasoning that I've used, I will leave it in the description box. So I'm just going ahead now and I'm just adding in all my seasoning. Then I'm just going to give it a good old rub. So now I'm adding in all my ground seasoning, and when I've done this, I'm going to cover this, and you want to ideally let this marinate overnight, but if you don't have that time, at least an hour. Now once you're ready, in a pot with 2 tablespoons of oil, I'm just going to go ahead and just brown off the chicken. Now I brown this off for about 10 minutes, stirring as I go. After about 10 minutes, I'm gonna go ahead and add in my peppers, my onions, potatoes and carrots, and I'm just gonna put some water on this and leave it. Now when you're cooking curry chicken, don't overpower it with water. Don't drown the chicken with water, because then you'll just cook out all. No, just cover it slightly up under the chicken, add your coconut milk in, cover it and leave it for about 20 minutes. Now you want to have your heat on a medium heat. Now for the rice. Now in a pot, I've got 2 cups of water to 3 parts water. I've added in a tablespoon of salt. Taste your pot, season it how you want it. Add a little bit of butter, cover it and leave it to boil for about 15 minutes. Now after about 15 minutes, I've put a piece of foil over it just to steam through the chicken. Now guys, this is my way of cooking my rice. This is how I've learned to cook the rice, to get the rice to how I want it. Now after about 15 minutes, remove that foil paper, get a fork, not a spoon, a fork, and just move the rice around the pot just to make sure that everything's cooked, because you don't want some of the rice cooked and some not cooked. Now after I've done this, I'm going to cover back the pot with the foil paper for about another 10 minutes. Now after about 10 minutes, I'm just gonna check the rice again, but it looks pretty done to me. This is how I check my rice, guys, to make sure that it's cooked. Now, you know, look at that rice. Nice and shelly. Now after about 20-25 minutes, chicken is done. Now you can let this boil down just about for about another 5 minutes, just to make sure that gravy thickens up. Or if you want to use a gravy thickening agent, you can go ahead, but I don't use that. Now chicken is done. I'm just gonna plate that up now and sit down and just enjoy myself. Now look at that, guys. Like All ingredients used will be listed in the description box. Now guys, don't forget to check out the ladies that I'm gonna link in the description box to see what they've done over on their Meet It or Eat It collab. Now guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to aim high, work hard, because the sky's the limit and you can only limit yourself. Thank you. Bye.